Hello friends, welcome to Non-Stop Accommodation. We are helping you since 2016 to feel like home in a PG. We are providing you 24/7 facility in case of any emergency. We are having paying guests for 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK at Andheri East, SakiNaka near Metro Station in Mumbai, Adheri East near Metro Station, JB Nagar Chakala Metro Station, near Marol Naka Metro Station for boys. Fully furnished flat with bed, cupboard, fridge, washing machine, AC, gas kitchen, gas pipeline available in our PG, Aqua Guard and Wifi and our personal cleaning staff for the flat maintenance. There is no brokerage charges or any maintenance fee. You have to give only rent and deposit and share electric bill with your flat meters. The rent for this flat starts with the rupees 7,000 to rupees 15,000 only. Kindly contact Sameer Chaudhary for PG related queries and his contact number is 7039891981. Thanks for the watching Learning Online with Faizan Khan and do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest video update. Thank you.